Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. For this video, we are going to be doing a floral spring nail design. It's going to be more like the 3D floral nail designs that I see a lot of all over the place. Now, I did these nails and I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. I was not satisfied with it, but I still decided to put it out to you guys because I'm sure you guys would want to just see it and I guess just learn from what I did and what not to do basically. I know a lot of you is probably going to be like, oh my god, they look so pretty, they look nice, like, you know, you're being too hard on yourself, and maybe I am, but honestly I was not. It's a nice design. I'm just, like I said, I'm not 100% sold on it, especially since I did it myself. I put a lot of pressure on myself to get things out exactly how I want it, so when it doesn't come out the way I want it, I get super frustrated. But anyway, yeah, I'm not even recording my face. That's how frustrated I was with this design. But as you can see, I am prepping my nails. I'm going around my cuticle, removing the dead skin, the old dead skin, over the surface of my nail plate to remove the shine. That was a 180 sanding band. I did use that at 5,000 RPM. And now I am just going in with my cuticle ball bit, and I'm just going over the cuticle area, just like buffing it over and smoothing it. I'm actually physically going on my skin a little bit here. And that's, like I said, just to remove any kind of like dead skin, anything that's sticking up and poking out that I want removed. That's what this bit is going to do for me. And I'm using this again at 5,000 RPM. And I didn't go too much in depth with my cuticle prep because I change my nail designs a lot and I'm always popping it off. I do use a peel off base coat. I did use a peel off base coat here, but I just didn't show it. So this is what they are looking like. For this video, I'm going to go in with my stiletto nail tips. Everything I'm using so far is on the website. There's only one product that I don't have, and I'll link that for you guys, and you'll see what that is in a little bit. But for this design, I wanted to do a shorter set. I didn't want anything too long. I didn't want this video to be long. Even though it took me like 4 hours to just make this video, I was so frustrated. I'm telling you guys, it's just so frustrating. I just wanted to punch myself. But I am measuring these nails towards the center of the tip because I am going to cut them instead of from the bottom where you normally cut it. I'm going to cut it from the top so I don't have to do any kind of reshaping. And then what I mean by the top is like this. I'm holding it. The top portion is that whole top section that I'm showing you right there. That's what I'm going to cut off. So that's where I'm measuring it. So like I said, I don't have to reshape it into a stiletto. It's already a stiletto shape, just a shorter version because I cut it the opposite way. So I'm just measuring these out, getting all my sizes ready. You are going to see me go in with some clippers, some nipper. What do you call these things? Just tip cutters, cutting them shorter, and then you're gonna see me glue them down with my rubber base gel, and I do cure it for a few seconds. This cures super fast, 1 2 3 with my base gel using my lamp. Of course, you can get on my website. It's super easy. But yeah, I just cure that into place. And then we're going to go into filing. Filing, I'm just blending the tip into the natural nail plate and going over the surface to remove the shine so the hard gel can stick to the tips and you won't get any kind of separation or anything like that. From there, I'm going in with my dehydrator. This is going to dissolve any kind of oils, and this is really prepping the surface of the nails for the rubber base gel. When I apply my rubber base gel, I'm using a very thin layer. I'm going on the nail plate. I'm almost like scrubbing it into that nail plate, and then I am dragging it down all the way down to the tip of the tips. And then I do a full cure for 60 seconds. For this design, I'm going to go in. I'm going to use Brown Orchid. Now, did not realize I haven't used this color yet, and I've launched this like a while ago, not even a while ago, a couple months ago, and I have yet to use it. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Brown Orchid, and then I am going in with my number 6 hard gel brush. Once again, these builder gels are all hard gel. They are non-soak off. The only thing that is soak off so far that I've used is the rubber base gel. So like I said, you do need to file these off if you do want to remove them. So I'm gonna go in using a very small amount. This is going to be my slip layer. I'm adding a very thin layer. I am dragging it down, and then you are gonna see me take a larger amount, and that's what I'm going to float on top. I'm going and I'm doing one nail at a time. Once I build up that product, I do flash cure it in place for at least 30 seconds, and then I move on to the next nail. I'm gonna use this color across all of the nails, doing the same steps. Like I said, just curing in between before moving on to the next nail. For the design itself, it's going to be the same design across, but each nail is going to have a different color story.
Yeah. I can never die, got a lit spirit. Billy on my mind, adding 9 digits. Cheated one easy, now we no limit. Bitch, I did the time, this is not a gimmick. Clocked in 10,000 hours, peaking Super Saiyan power. Making dough in my tower, kitchen got a lot of flour. Just got out my cold shower, pack a big bowl of sour. Smoke my own brand of flour, look down and wave to all the doubters. Hello, bitch. If you think you got advice for me, keep it to yourself, these bitches all think they so tight with me. Shit. Please tell me what you did, and I'm not talking about 500K likes on your pic, bitch. Y'all stay stressed about exterior, hot girl but her brain's inferior. Woke bitch and my heart superior, flow sick iller than bacteria, serious. I kill it, that's on period, and I'm doing it prettier. Really though, y'all stay silly though. I can never die, got a lit spirit. Billy on my mind, adding 9 digits. Cheated one easy, now we no limit. Bitch, I did the time, this is not a gimmick. If Zach is on the track, you know I'ma kill it. See me in my swag, they gon' try to steal it. Make 100 bands when I write a lyric. Love to all my fans, shout out to my critics. Yeah. Got it screwed loose, but my circle tight. Don't let the gram fool you. You can always take your time.
I did make sure to fully cure it for a full 60 seconds. And then I'm going in with my nail cleanser, and I'm just removing that sticky layer from the surface of the nails because we're going to go into filing. For filing, I'm using a 100-100 grit nail file. This is from Not Polish. I am only using this on the side walls. I don't want to use this over the surface of the nail because I just feel like it's a little too harsh and it's going to leave a lot of scratches. I've done it before and it was kind of frustrating trying to get those deep scratches out. So I only use this on the side walls because it's just a 1, 2, 3 process when it comes to this 100 grit nail file. And then you are going to see me go in with a fine tapered drill bit. I do have this bit on the website, and I'm using this at 20,000 RPM, and this is just me going around that cuticle section and then down the body of the nail, just making sure it is smooth and I don't have any kind of lumps and bumps, and really just trying to perfect the shape. So for these 3D flowers, I'm going to go in with these carving gels. I decided to take out blue, purple, pink, orange, yellow, and white. Now, I kind of wanted these nails to be more on the pastel side, and you're going to see it does not come out pastel. Because these colors are so bright and pigmented, what I decided to do, let me just say that first. What I decided to do was take a little bit of each color and mix it in with the white. And then I did like a little roll, I guess you want to call it, like a tube. And I did one of the color of the nail that I wanted to use. And then the other one, I did a pure white, and I put them next to each other because I kind of wanted it to look like the petal had like 2 colors, like a white going into, let's say, like a blue. So for the first nail that I'm doing, you're gonna see I'm rolling it up. I'm doing a strip of the light blue, and then I just go in with another row of white. I put it next to each other, and then I start cutting those into little sections, and that's what I'm gonna use for the petals. Now, to stick the actual carving gel to the nail, it doesn't stick onto a dry surface. I tried and it doesn't work. I found that using my rubber base gel, curing it for 15 seconds, that leaves like that tacky layer almost where the carving gel is going to stick right to it. So you're just going to see me, I'm doing the same step throughout all of the nails. You're just going to see me alternating the color. So for the pinky, I'm doing blue. For the Ring nail, I do purple. For the middle nail is pink. The pointer is going to be orange, and then the thumbnail is going to be yellow. But like I said, I'm doing the same steps throughout all of the nails using this, I want to say, I don't know what kind of tool this is called. I have the carving gel and this tool that I'm using right now to create the petals on Amazon. I'll have that linked below for you guys. But yeah, this is the part that was super frustrating for me because there's a lot that I do with carving gel that I can create. I created freaking like gremlins with this carving gel before. I did so many different 3D designs with this carving gel, and for some reason I even did a Beetlejuice design, and for some reason I cannot for the life of me make a freaking petal. I cannot do flowers with this. So like I said, maybe you guys need to give me some pointers. And no, I don't want to use acrylic. I don't want to use polygel. I really want to try to attempt to use this carving gel because I know people created beautiful designs using this. One, I can't stand the smell of acrylic, and two, polygel is not really my thing, honestly. Like, you know, so I'm trying to stick with hard gel and this carving gel for now, but I am determined to master these freaking flowers. So if you guys have any kind of pointers, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys see me do this whole process of using these flowers, doing these flowers, and I don't know, like they came out aight. They're not the best, but they came out okay.
When I said that I'm your bitch, cuff me, wicked chillin' Netflix, love me, even when I throw a big fit. You could lose your shit, baby, let it out, let me roll that spliff. I'ma be around, hard time, don't quit. I'ma hunt it down, help you stack, deep grip. Get to know one of those, never switch sides, super down hoes. Give you space, let you grow, at your own pace, let you go slow. Give you this heat, I'm on backwood. Give you this fix, no touch code. No other bitch do it that good. With all the hazards when you fall backwards. Gas you up when you feel like shit. Well, run dry, you need that drip. Gas you up if you need that fix. Need that high, I'ma like that hit. Pat you up every time you slip. Back you up every time you trip. I'ma be there. Be there to gas you up. You could call me bestie. Need a hand, you could text me. Scratch your back, baby, let me. When it gets happy, don't stress me. Hold tight, I'ma be the intersect me. Even when you test me, upset me. Hitting on my pet peeves just to get me.
Okay, so this is what my nails are currently looking like. I honestly think maybe it's the colors that I chose that are too bright. Maybe I needed to add a little bit more white to them to make it more pastel so I'll like it more. I don't know, but like I said, I wasn't happy with it, so I decided to go in with some bling. And every time I add bling, they just make me happy. You know, the bling pops everything out. I feel like it just makes everything come together and mesh so well. So I'm gonna go in with my Bling It No Wipe gel, and according to the color of the flower, I'm gonna go in with these stones. The only color that I decided to swap out was the blue because I'm using all of the kits that I currently have, all of the bling that I have on the website, and the only color that I really didn't have was a light blue. I have the dark blue, the cobalt. And it, like I said, I wanted to keep these light, so I, instead of using that light, that dark blue, I went in and used AB crystals. But you're gonna see me whipping out all of my kits just to get those colors, and then I do go in with my caviar beads. I used both size caviar beads, and I just started glamming this up, and honestly doing this made me feel 100 times better than what these flowers was looking like. But once I added all the bling that I wanted to, I did go ahead and do a full cure for 60 seconds.
Fine bitches in the whip, that's the crew, honey. I got real expensive taste, call that ooh, mommy. Pockets getting real thick with that blue money. Conversation list, and I do the nude on me. Told them only put the tip in my pool,
From there, I decided I wanted to finish off the nails with my shiny no wipe top coat. I did go in with a small detail brush to go around the crystals and try to avoid the flowers. And I should have probably did the top coat before I even added the bling. I don't know. I don't know. I wasn't really thinking at this point, but I ended up going with a little detail brush and going around everything. I did go over the gold caviar beads because I didn't want them to turn. And then I did a full cure for 60 seconds. All right, you guys, so this is what the nails are looking like. First off, I love the brown orchid, the hard gel color in the background. The flowers, like I said, I am not too happy about it. I think they could be 100 times better. So please comment below your opinions on what do you guys think I could do better when it comes to trying to recreate these flowers. Like I said, please don't say anything about acrylic. I do not want to use acrylic. Acrylic is a no-go in me household, okay? So but yeah, like I said, I think the crystals made everything just look 100 times better. And like I said, I could do a whole lot better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think they're pretty, but yeah, you guys let me know what you think. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more nail designs, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya. Fine bitches in the whip, that's the crew, honey. I got real expensive taste, call that ooh, mommy. Pockets getting real